lost again, going back around, dreaming of a time when I get things right.
Hey there everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I went through that trash pile I shared with you a few videos ago and did a trash to treasure DIY video on, and I found an item that I wanted to transform in it. There's a few more items that I'm going to save for a future video. We're actually going to get rid of the trash pile this weekend because we rented a dumpster and it's just an eyesore and we want it gone. So after this weekend, most of it will be gone except for the few items that I save for a future video. And this item I'm working with today, and that is a Playhouse. I found this in the woods and I thought it would be perfect to turn it into a little house for my dog to beat the heat in the summertime. So if you're new to my channel and like home decor and DIYs on a budget, make sure to hit the subscribe button and don't forget to ring the bell for notifications. All right, let's get into it. So I started off by cleaning this thing really good. I got the power washer out and I sprayed it all down, and it was just so satisfying because you could just see all of the dirt and mold and grime that has built up on it for who knows how long. It was just sitting in the woods for so long. So it cleaned up really well, got all the spider webs and everything off. And I'm gonna start off by spray painting the chimney with the stone spray paint in the granite color. And I think you're supposed to like layer it on, like do a thin layer and then let it dry and then come back and keep spraying. But I didn't have time for that, so I just used the whole can, layered it on there and let it dry, and it gave it a really nice textured stone look, and the red showed through a little bit, which I didn't mind. Next thing I did was I moved on to the roof, and for that I used a porch and patio paint, but it was the anti-slip porch and patio paint, so it kind of was textured, and this gave it a nice feel, like a real roof feel, I guess. So I gave that like 3 coats of paint, and then for the outside I just used some white outdoor paint and I brushed it on rather than rolling it because there was just so many little nooks and crannies. So I did about 3 coats of that, and then I came around to the window. The other window didn't have any shutters, so I went ahead and pulled the shutters off of this side, and then I just finished it off with some white paint on the last side here. It's so crazy what paint can do. Just a few coats of paint and it really transforms any project. The next thing I did was I had these solar lights that were on my barn. I bought them, but they were too small really to put on there. So I took them off and I'm going to use them on this playhouse. I just attached them with some screws into the plastic, and they're really sturdy and they hold up really well on there, and it looks really cute. Next thing I did was work on the inside, and sorry it's a little blurry here, but what I did was I just pulled off the tray and the little like phone holder that was in there, and then I started painting the inside white. I really wasn't too worried about how great this looked on the inside just because nobody was really going to be in there except for the dog. So I just gave it a couple coats just to make it look nice, so when you looked inside, it didn't look dirty. I did not paint the roof on the inside because again, you can't see that from the outside and the dog's just looking at it. The next thing I did was I had some scrap 1x2s and I cut those. I cut 16 pieces the length of the windows, and then I cut 8 pieces the length of 4 of these pieces put together. And what I did was I just put 4 of the pieces together and used those 2 smaller pieces at the top and the bottom and nailed those in so that way I would make some shutters. So I ended up making 4 shutters with these, and then I stained it with some special walnut stain that I already had and let that dry. To hang the shutters, I pre-drilled 4 holes in each corner of each shutter, and then I just used some regular screws and screwed it right into the plastic house. And they hold really well like this. I was worried that it wasn't going to work, but it does. They are staying up, so it worked out good, and it adds some more character to this little house. Next, I wanted to make some window boxes with some more scrap wood that I had. So I took a 1x3 and I cut 6 pieces to the width of each window. And then I cut 4 smaller pieces that will be the sides of my boxes. And then I pre-assembled the 2 window boxes partially so that way they would be easier to hang. I just nailed everything together with my nail gun. And then I used the special walnut stain to stain everything again. And then when I was ready to attach the boxes to the Playhouse, I just pre-drilled 2 holes in each side of the pre-assembled part of the boxes and screwed them right into the house. Then I attached the last 1x3 to the front of the window boxes with my nail gun. I also took some more scrap wood and I just traced out a bone shape and used my jigsaw to cut it out. I drilled 2 holes in the top of the bone so that way I could hang it up later. And then I did take some sandpaper and sand around the edges of the bone because when you cut it out with the jigsaw, it's not perfect. So I just tried to sand it down a little bit, and then I stained it with that classic walnut stain. And then I wanted to put my dog's name on it, which is Milo. So I had some stencils. I don't know where I got these from, probably Amazon. And I just used a Sharpie and traced the letters onto the wood. And I connected everything since they were kind of like cursive letters, and I think it looks super cute. And then to hang this, I hung it in the front of the entryway of the house. I just drilled some holes and then screwed in some hooks. And then I hung the sign, and now it's time to add the finishing touches.
Telling me I will be fine. Baby, I'm stuck with a halfway heart. Slip away if I come too far. Pick me up when I'm in pieces. Oh, that halfway heart of mine is a rolling stone. Make me roll right home. Halfway hard, halfway hard. Sing to me if I lose my...
I coaxed Milo in the house with a few treats and he went right in. I think he's gonna love this house this summer to cool off in. I'm gonna purchase one of those pet cooling mats for him to lay on in it as well. And he's gonna really enjoy the summer, I think. I love how it turned out. I think it's super cute. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to follow me on Instagram and Facebook as well. And subscribe and like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Take care. Bye-bye.